Like it or not, humanity has become intertwined with disruptive technology. We are consciously or unconsciously dependent upon technology and digital services for everyday mundane tasks. But the more we use these technologies, the more we realize the unconscious biases that these help propagate. We need technology to be foundationally inclusive, where the users are not discriminated against on the basis of their gender, nationality, skin color, sexual preferences, or disability. This month on the TEDx Bangalore platform, we are talking about inclusive technologies and have gathered 3 amazing books that take you on a deep dive into the world of technology and the biases that it has created. These 3 books are: first, Technically Wrong by Sarah Wachter-Becher. With our world migrating online and our increased dependency on it, we can't stop and wonder who is behind these websites and apps. Who is the one processing it? And why is the application the way it is? There are uncountable ways algorithms create biases, from chatbots harassing women to black people being attacked and sign-up forms that fail anyone who is not straight. Studies have shown that most technologies are developed by a man with privileges. In this book, Sarah Wachter-Becher takes the readers on an insightful and learning experience, and with every chapter prepares you to make more informed choices and demand for what's right from these big tech companies. Second, The Tech Whisperer by Jaspreet Bindra. With rapidly changing business models, leaders and entrepreneurs need to adopt the most updated technologies like blockchain, AI, VR, Internet of Things, etc. But before they do that, they must be fluent in the basic principles of digital transformation and technologies that enable these shifts. Jaspreet Bindra, a leading practitioner and thought leader in digital transformation and technology, in his first book simplifies these emerging techs, highlights their importance and their roles, and shares key lessons for the leaders who are looking to deploy these technologies for their own organization. The third book, My Robot Gets Me by Carla Diana. How ordinary is it now to get Siri to browse the internet or Alexa to play the song that you want to listen to? The smart home market will reach over $100 billion in the next 5 years on products that are truly integrated with everyday chores like cooking, cleaning, entertainment, and more. But we are still a long way from achieving this, especially with our current technologies and processes. In this book, Carla Diana explores how futuristic applications should be designed keeping in mind human-centered perspectives. She walks us through the structure of different rings of social design issues like presence, expression, interaction, context, and ecosystems. The book contains amazing case studies and interviews and highlights the importance of knowing humans first to better design robots or devices which interact with us. So these were our 3 recommendations. If you like these books, then please do let us know what you thought about them. If there are some books you would like to recommend, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. This book recommendation was part of our Tech Inclusive Month, and if you want to take part in this series and if you would like to know more about this, then please do stay tuned to TEDx Bangalore social media pages. Thank you.